Today I'm making Halloween cinnamon sugar crescent roll-ups. First I'm going to make the cinnamon sugar filling, so I'm going to add 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar. Next I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of sugar. Then a tablespoon of cinnamon. Next mix that up until everything is combined. Now I have 2 cans of crescent rolls and a cutting board. First I opened one of the crescent rolls. I'm going to roll it out and then break it in half and put the other half on top of the crescents and press them together to make one piece. Next I have 4 tablespoons of softened butter. I'm going to spread the butter on the crescent sheet. Then I'm going to add the cinnamon sugar mixture and spread that out. Next I'm going to add the other can of crescents, and I did the same thing. I broke it in half and put one piece, and then I'm going to put the next piece and then press it all together. Then I'm going to cut this into 8 strips. Next I'm going to roll each strip of dough and put it into the muffin pan. Then I'm going to bake these at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. As the roll-ups are baking, I'm going to make the frosting, so in a bowl I have 1 stick of slightly melted butter. Next I'm going to add 2 cups of powdered sugar. Then I'm going to add 1/2 cup of marshmallow fluff. Next I'm adding 2 tablespoons of milk that I colored orange. Then I'm going to mix this up until everything is combined. Now that the cinnamon sugar roll-ups are cooled, I put them on a tray, and then I put the frosting into a piping bag, and I'm going to pipe some of the frosting on each one. Lastly, I'm going to add some Halloween sprinkles on each one. Here's an up-close look at the cinnamon sugar crescent roll-ups.